In this video, we'll measure the value of churn customers to understand what the business impact will be and if action needs to be taken. We'll use a crosstab analysis. We'll analyze the band of profit and count how many customers are in each band. Now, filter the analysis only for the customers that are likely to churn. It is shown that customers likely to churn are the most profitable customers. There are more customers likely to churn as the profit band is higher. Action should be taken to retain these customers by contacting them with marketing campaigns that aim to avoid churn and promote new purchases.